This house is stunning. It's 3,500 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 5 baths, and one of the most expansive rooftop decks in all of the Venice Canals. It's been completely reimagined and recreated by Breakform. It is one of my favorite houses. It's literally steps to Bikini, steps to the beach. One of my favorite features of this house is the kitchen. The kitchen and the dining room actually connect through a large piece of wood, which serves as both the kitchen table and the dining room table. It really invites everybody to be more of a communal dining experience. I love that part of this house. Another thing that's great is the rooftop deck. It's one of the largest in the canals, if not the largest. It's also in a corner, so the light across here is amazing. It's a stunning home. You have to come take a look.